Hi everyone, Nancy with our Treasure Home, and welcome back to our channel. Went to the Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. Yes, I am starting to get to where I am being able to move a little bit. But I wanted to get out, we need to get soil and everything. And I went to the Dollar Tree for 3 things. You know how that goes. You only go for a few things. Then you end up getting a lot of things. So, just walking through and I realized, oh, I know what I want to do. I need to get stuff to redo my medic bag. Yes, I am a retired EMT, and things that, I would have gotten years ago cost a lot of money now. So, I was like, well, let me see what the Dollar Tree has, and I can start building it back up. Because you just never know. So, things that, they're $1 and may not be the best, but they still work. And I know that for a fact. We have square gauze. We have wrap gauze. I got 2 of those. Of course, Band-Aids. Different sizes and everything. Gotta have some fun ones. Let's see here. Now, I went ahead and got this pain relief patch because sometimes some people don't like taking pills. We can just stick this on. Your antibiotic cream. Now, let's see here. Of course, and the elastic bandage for splits and everything. And then your tapes. I have this tape. That's athletic tape, but it still will work. Then we have this tape. It's waterproof. Hot water bottle. Or ice pack. Either way, it still works good. And then, now it's allergy season. It can be, even during the winter time, things happen and you can have a reaction to stuff. So I have the anti-itch cream and allergy relief pills for allergy season. I also have the Benadryl ones, the knockoff, their Sure brand Benadryl, in case somebody has a food reaction. There's a lot of people who have food allergies nowadays. My granddaughter is one of them. Y'all know she's got a dairy allergy. So we keep the Benadryl on hand, plus her EpiPen, because, those things can be life-threatening. And Benadryl will at least help the person long enough to where you can get them medical attention in the hospital. Let's see. Then, sometimes you just never know. You might need something to help you stop going and having diarrhea. It's that thing of life. Alright. And then I got some knockoff the NSAIDs. I don't get acetaminophen because my son's allergic to it. So if you can, put aspirin or get what you can and what your body can use. I just don't get it because, like I said, he's allergic to it. If we were to grab something out of the bag and just not looking, because sometimes that happens, and get the wrong thing, what's going to happen? He's going to have a reaction, and he's going to end up having to have a Benadryl or go to the hospital, and that's something you want to avoid. I got this with something new. It's a pain balm. Reminds me of Tiger Balm. If you've seen that in the stores, it's just like this. So I got that. I went ahead and got these disinfectant wipes. Not bad for $1, because even these with the amount of alcohol, let's see here, yeah, the small, well, anyway. And then I do have alcohol wipes that come in this little square ones. These tear off. They're in the closet over there. It's good to sit there and have those. You can wipe down your thermometer, tools, your scissors. And I got me some nice little scissors. They're pink and red. And a little bit of purple on there, so everybody knows whose scissors they are. And like I said, wipe that down. You gotta cut stuff or whatever. I was looking for tweezers and little scissors, but I found these, and what I was looking for they were out of, but I found this. So you're thinking, what in the world do you use them for? Alright, that's in here tight. Mini scissors. Yes, they're sharp. They can work in a pinch. File. Well, it's a nice little curve on the end. If you have a splinter, that can help get that splinter out. This is not the tweezers. This is another tool. Besides a splinter, it could be, what about a thorn? Think of stuff bigger that could help. Or, make if you need leverage. There you go. There's your leverage right there. And if you don't have scissors, here's an idea you can use in a pinch. You don't have scissors? Fingernail clippers. That'll do the same thing. May take a little bit longer, or may press down a little bit harder, but if you have these can cut and help also. So, 2 more things that I got for my bag. Now everybody's going to think this is kind of weird, strange, but they work. And if you don't want to see this part of the video, I understand. Kid friendly and everything, but think outside the box. When someone's bleeding profusely and you need to stop that bleed, these are made to absorb blood. That's what they're made for, to absorb. So this is good if I've been there, I've seen it where someone's cut and you gotta keep applying stuff. Well, this will work also. Just you keep applying until you stop that bleed. So overall, not too bad. It's about $40, but hey, if stuff that needs to you need in a pinch, or out in the farm, out in the yard, just in the house, these are some good things to have. They say most accidents happen at home anyway, which is normally true. Or if the statistics say within a mile of your house. Yeah, I don't know about that. Just things just happen when they happen. But this is one way to be prepared. Have some, you can take it out, put it in different Ziploc bags. You can condense it to where you can put it in a different bag to carry with you wherever you go. This is what I've just got the other day. I have not made anything up with it, so now I'll be looking for a medic bag. Be watching for that video, because you never know what I might come up with. So, if you have any other suggestions or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. and give us a thumbs up, subscribe, watch our channel, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.